Hey guys, what's up? My name is Siddharth and you're watching Medicine. If you're new to this channel, let me tell you, my name is Siddharth and I'm a 4th year MBBS student in China. I'm just sharing my experience to let you guys know that what difficulties I faced, what problems I faced, what mistakes I did after NEET examination, which led me to another failure in NEET examination next year. It's been 3 days or 4 days. You gave your NEET examination, NEET undergraduate examination to get in medical schools in India. I'm talking about government seats, right? So you have given your NEET examination. Now you are in this big dilemma of whether you should continue your preparation, whether you should stop your preparation. Shall you take MBBS admission in private colleges in India or shall you take admission outside India? See, there are 3 categories I want to be talking about. First is consistency, second is age, and third is whether studying outside or inside or taking degree from somewhere else really matters. So first thing I want you to do is ask yourself a question. Did you really give everything? Were you consistent enough to give all your efforts in NEET examination? Trust me, just ask yourself a question. I know you will be saying that I did not do MBBS in India and I'm trying to be like a guru. I'm not trying to be like a guru. I screw everything. I don't want to be a guru or anything. I'm just trying to share my experience. I hope it can help. We'll be talking really very straightforward. Nothing to hide. Were you consistent enough? Okay, the answer should be yes or no. Are you really passionate enough to become a doctor? Is that a thing like without doctor you can't settle anywhere else? Are you in that category? If you are in that category, then congratulations, you are on the right place. If you weren't consistent enough, then my suggestion would be don't think about anything else. Just go back, start preparing once again with full consistency. 1 hour every day, 2 hour every day, 3 hour every day, 4 hour, 10 hour, 20 hour every day. But every day matters. Not one day, someday, few days. Every day matters. Trust me guys, if I would be consistent enough, I would be sitting in a government medical college in India. I gave 3 years of my preparation. Actually, you call that four years of preparation, but I also did foundation, so I counted 3. So if you're not consistent enough, if you weren't consistent enough till this NEET, just go back, give yourself 6 months of time, 6 months of full consistency every day. Trust me, you will be selected. Now, if you're consistent enough and you really want to become a doctor, really, you can't settle yourself with anything other than MBBS, then ask yourself a question that which attempt was it yours? Was it 12th appearing? Was it first attempt? Was it second? Now, until this second attempt, I'm counting with 12th appearing. If you're 12th appearing, guys, blindfoldedly, just give yourself one more chance. There is no need of getting depressed. There is no need of, thinking about other things. If you want to be a doctor, you will be a doctor. Trust me, there are many ways. There are many streets to reach that destination of yours. This is my thinking. So, if you're first and second appearing, just think that can you give one more extra effort? Maybe you are just one step far from your dream. That one single extra attempt can get you into a government medical college. So if you can give, I would request you guys, just do once more till second attempt. Okay, do it. If you are anything above your second attempt, I mean third attempt, fourth attempt, fifth attempt, just ask yourself once more that is your age stopping you from doing this preparation? This was the factor which I had to face. Trust me guys, this was the factor which I had to face, and I had to take MBBS admission outside, and I never regretted that. I will tell you that in another video why I never regretted that decision. This is a superstition which is widely believed in our country that doing MBBS or taking a medical degree from anywhere else will lead you to a bad doctor. Is that fire still within you? That fire is what gets us selected, guys. That's fire. If that fire is still within inside you, just give yourself one more chance, you will be selected. If you did everything with consistency, if you are true with yourself, you will be selected for sure. Now, if that fire is not inside you, this was the thing which made me to take admission outside India. If that fire is saying that no, please, I'm like tired, I can't do that preparation, you know, it will get me into the state of nowhere. It doesn't makes me productive anymore, but still I want to be a doctor. That passion is still within inside me. Then you need to consider yourself some other option. For me, it was, I told all my problems to my parents. So my parents were like, can you give yourself one more chance? I was like, I can't give myself one more chance, because only getting inside a medical college is not full stop for your dreams. You know, for me, my dreams are very big. They are much more than MBBS. After MBBS, I want to do something else also, but I want to do MBBS also. My parents asked me, what's next? We can support you financially. Rest you have to look after for your studies, for your career. We are very much supportive for you. And I know most of our parents are supportive. Guys, listen, this video can be very controversial. People will say, no, studying outside this country, that country, it's completely a separate topic to debate on. I'm just sharing my failure story, that what made me take MBBS outside India and what things you can avoid. And these things which I'm telling you, that decision of me taking MBBS outside India and my NEET examination of 2017, 6 months of difference. I wasted 6 months, but I had planned that I'm eventually not gonna prepare, I'm gonna take admission. So for me, that was nothing. But for you guys who will waste this 6 months and want to prepare again, trust me, this is a big loss for you. Maybe you will not be getting selected once again. So guys, my advice to you is just follow this video. Ask yourself 3 questions. Were you consistent enough this year? Were you not consistent enough this year? Is that fire still inside you, or that fire is going down and you still want to get admission in a medical college? Is your age stopping you to prepare once again, but you want to do that preparation? So these are the things, just ask yourself. And a few points I want to make clear from my side is, in no way or the other I'm promoting any kind of admission or anything. It's up to you, your choice. Do whatever you want and take admission anywhere you want. Some people gonna comment that he's trying to promote this thing, he's trying to promote. No, I'm not promoting anything. I'm just trying to share my failure story. Because listen, success stories are very exciting to hear. Everyone is proud to share that success story, but trust me, hearing someone's failure story will tell you which mistakes not to do, which can lead you to your failure. I take it proudly, man. I'm studying everything with proud. I'm doing anything I want. My life is going great. I was also in that state of depression or sadness where I used to think that, oh my god, I didn't get selected this year, my life is over. Oh my god, what should I do? I mean, nothing is left now. See, there are hundreds of ways to get to your dreams. There are hundreds of ways. You want to be a doctor, you will be a doctor. Just be consistent enough, guys. If that fire is still inside you, just give it all. If that fire is gone, just think of other ways. And trust me, guys, if your dream is this, you will make it one day. Just be consistent enough. Stop wasting that time. I also want you guys to get admission in government medical colleges and make your families proud. But trust me, I also want you to kill that superstition that going outside India, doing MBBS from this country, doing MBBS from this country is worth not your time. It just depends on your intelligence, which college you choose, which college you don't, how much you inquire about that college, how much you ask from that seniors, what problems they faced. So I was pretty lucky. I had everything good going and my college is also good. It's just on you guys that you study or not. So this video is ended. Signing off, Medic said. See you guys in another video. Till then, stay healthy, take care, and peace out, guys. Bye. Hey guys, before going, would request you all that this video was not scripted. This was just from my heart, sharing all my experiences and what mistakes I did. So just neglect some of the flaws. Please do subscribe. I will try to post another video soon as it gets on 100 views. And please guys, do subscribe this channel. It's gonna support me now. Just subscribe. It's gonna support me. I will try to support you by some informative videos. Please